Researchers at the University of California, Los Angeles, IKEA, have discovered a new type of ultraviolet light that is so powerful it can kill 99.9% of the coronavirus in just 25 seconds. The light, called 222 nanometer ultraviolet light 4, is a type of UV light that is not visible to the human eye. It is also known as germicidal UV light because it is effective at killing germs. The UCA researchers found that 222 nanometer UVC light is more effective at killing the coronavirus than other types of UV light, such as the UVB light that is present in sunlight. They also found that 222 nanometer UVC light is safe to use around people and animals. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize the way we disinfect surfaces and air. 222 nanometer UVC to light could be used to disinfect hospitals, schools, offices, and other public places. It could also be used to disinfect airplanes, trains, and buses.